Hey everyone, welcome back to Sugar and Allen's Travel Channel.
So you came to Sugar and Allen to find out what the noisiest room on a cruise ship is, at least that we've stayed in. Well, we're going to show you. It's a Surfside Balcony room 9739. Without any further ado, let's get this tour going. Okay, so we are in room 9739. It is a Surfside Balcony room. And lo and behold, Suge beat me in.
How'd I do that?
She does magic. All right, so when you come in, of course, the back of your stateroom door, you've got your emergency information, your muster station where you want to go if there's an emergency. You've got your thermostat here, goes down to as low as 66. We were told by our room steward, if you want to keep your room cool at night, don't hit movie or sleep. Both of those. Do something with the air conditioning where it won't get as cold in your room. So either hit morning or evening. This switch here is for your bathroom. This one turns off the lights in the entire room. Okay. Come into our bathroom. You've got your commode. You got some shelves here. On the opposite side, you got Alan. You got some more shelves up here. You got a sink. It's a small sink area. You've got some additional shelves down there. You got your shower. Very cool. It's a good size shower. You got your adjustable shower head. Don't know why it was all the way down there, but it adjusts. Very cool. And then you've got a seat in the back that you can sit on, and they'll put some towels up there for you. Stepping out of the bathroom, you got a couple of hooks up here that we use to hang our backpacks. Very convenient. You've got a full-length mirror here, so you can check yourself out before you go out to dinner. Come over here, and you've got a light on the side of your bed. You've got a power outlet there. You've got a USB port. You've got baskets down here to put stuff in. You got a closet here with some hangers. And you've got a closet over here with some more hangers and storage area. You've got your Royal King bed. You got a good size TV there. Looks like maybe a 50-inch, nice size Samsung TV. Working your way around. Nightstand over here. You got a telephone. No plug over here, but you got another USB port. You've got a couch. It does not convert into a bed. Those pillows will come off the back, so lots of room to lie down, but it doesn't convert into a bed. Come over here. You got another little nightstand here. This actually pulls away from the wall, so you can use it at the couch if you're working or what have you. You got a vanity here. You got a light switch for it. That turns off the room. Wrong one. That turns that off. Okay. You've got another outlet over here. You've got a USB-C and a USB-A and a European outlet. You've got a nice comfy chair. You've got lots of drawers over here. You got a blow dryer in there. Anyone needs to blow dry their hair. You got some more drawers down there. You've got a refrigerator here. Does a great job in keeping your stuff cold. Not a whole lot of room in there, but yeah, it's not a cooler, it's an actual refrigerator. It really keeps your stuff cool. So coming out onto our balcony. All right, this is our view. Beautiful view. All right, we got a couple of chairs here with footrests and a table. Come out here and have some breakfast or some brunch, or you bring your lunch back to the room. This is what our room looks like from the other end. It's a nice room. We like it. It's a good size. Here's a little clip of the noise that we hear at night. So yeah, it gets noisy for sure. This is the noisiest room that we have ever stayed in. I think, on any cruise ship. But to be honest with you, we cracked the door. Yeah, so I don't know, we kind of like the noise at night. We close it when it's time to go to sleep because the air doesn't work when the door is open. But outside of that, we cracked the door. But yeah, this is definitely the noisiest room that we have ever stayed in. So put in the comments below, have you stayed in a Surfside balcony room? Have you stayed in a noisier room than this one? Once again, thank you for watching. We appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that like button. We want to thank all of our members, our adrenaline junkies, Victoria Jackson and Misbehaving, and we will see you guys on our next adventure.